Man, I don't know why my neighbors hate me so much. Every single day, I say good morning, I make sure they're doing well, but they just give me the most disgusted look ever. I don't get it.
Hello, my brothers. Ready for another video? Get your driving shoes on and let's get straight to the video.
Well, boys, I sent her a little too hard, bud.
Toyota Supra for life, bros.
Yo, is that a Supra?
Why would you be so stupid to do that?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Let me teach you guys how to drift. When you accidentally install a flamethrower instead of a back box. Ah, yes. Best feature on the car.
So apparently when you buy a new Subaru, it comes with your own personal Asian.
Oh, hello.
At least the switch is safe.
Lost me electric window switch, eh? That's no good. Oh, they're gonna be hard to find from Japan, eh? Lucky I put it in the glove box, though. Yeah, nice. Yeah.
No matter what car you drive, this'll always be your reaction.
It's cool. We drive a Tesla. But then you see that. Ah! A Supra. Teslas are trash compared to that Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Every big man's dream. Oh yes, this really turns me on.
What are some non-sexual sounds that turn you on?
Too many horses for the dyno. FedRex do the same with their deliveries. No one can outshine the beast of all cars. You will never guess how much horsepower this car has.
What's up, bro?
How are you?
Thank you.
You know, how much horsepower I got?
You know what? Let me show you.
All right.
So we got around 700 horses in here.
What a beautiful engine.
Training Day, Canada.
You can see it's straight pipe all the way to the exhaust. So the exhaust, the muffler, right, is there, which is aftermarket, so it's out there. But the catalytic converter is, you'll see on your car, it's basically as it's coming out of the engine, it looks like a small muffler. Depending on the car, it's about this big, and it's usually the gas gets trapped in there. There's some material that absorbs from the fluid, then it goes on. So they'll remove them for high performance, so free flow. Got it. That's what they do.
Why send them to school when you can teach them all they need at home?
A is for axle, B is for battery. C is for clutch, D is for dipstick, E is for engine, F is for fuse, G is for gasket, H is for headlight, I is for injector, J is for jack stand, K is for key, and L is for lug nut. M is for muffler, N is for nut, O is for oil.
You don't need luxury cars to pull chicks.
I'm just chilling the GTR, dude. This chick's checking out the car, bro. That's on 5% tint, dude. She can't see anything inside, dude. Oh, dude, she's writing a note. No way. Dude, wait, what is she writing? What is she writing? Can you see? No, you can't see it. No way. What is she? Oh my God. Wait, dude. Dude, what does it say? Oh my God. Dude, that's her car. Oh,
M3, bro.
dude, that's the car girl, bro. Oh, let's go look at this note. Dude, let's see what she said. Let's see. Hit me up. Oh, let's go.
Yes, sir. The car is 100% stock.
Oh yeah, no, it's definitely 100% street legal. 100%. It's definitely street legal.
Get your priorities right. Too many cars is never enough cars.
When the car guy says you need a daily, but then you need a daily for your daily, then you need the daily for the daily for your other daily, but then you need a daily for the other daily for the daily for.
That dude is having the time of his life. Who else can spot a car from a mile away?
Is that a Supra?
Built versus bought. I'm sure she'll get better.
So this was after a super early morning shift. I got off at about 7 a.m. and woke up to my neighbor tapping on my window saying my car was underwater at about 8 a.m. So I jump out of bed and come out to find my car underwater. Water was up over the hood and the headlights at one point, and I just knew after seeing it that it was pretty much toast and there was not a whole lot I could do about it. This was the Memorial Day floods in Houston, and yep, she's gone.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys soon.